we are going to learn completing the square method. In this square method, we'll use algebraic formula. What is that algebraic formula? X plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. X minus y the whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. These are the two formulas. Okay, first we'll see the example sums. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, in this, before x, no number is there. Here also no number is there. So we have to write it x square. So what we will do here, x square plus 2x is common for all the problems. Here x square minus 2x is common for all the problems. In this case minus is given. Here also minus comes. So we will use this formula. Instead of minus, plus comes here means you will use this formula. So x square plus 2x is common for all the case. For comes x square plus 2x is common for x plus y cases. X square minus 2x is common for x minus cases. Here is minus comes. So x square minus, write 2x. Okay. You see x square minus 2x we written here. What is remaining? We need x square minus 4x. So what comes 2? So we have to multiply x square minus, multiply this 2x into 2, 4x. So the above answer comes equal to, this plus 1 goes this side means minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. You see what is comes here 2. So what you will do, square on both sides. Square on both sides. What square on both sides? Square 2 on both sides. This 2 only comes. So x square minus 2x into 2 plus 2 square equal to minus 1 plus 2 square. Okay, this is the first step. Okay. Another example we'll see. X square minus 3x plus 1. This one, what you will do here also minus. So we will use this formula only. So what you will do, x square minus 2x is common. I already told x square minus 2x is common. So we need x square minus 3x. So what we will do, 3 by 2. So we have to cancel this 2 minus 3x comes equal to minus 1. Okay, so 3 by 2 comes now here. So what we will do, next step, square 3 by 2 on both sides. So what you will do, x square minus 2x into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 the whole square equal to minus 1 plus 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, this is the completing the square method formula. Completing square 3 by 2 whole square, 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, we will write this method also, this way also. X square minus 2x into 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square equal to minus 1. You see here, my plus 3 by 2 square minus 3 by 2 square. This one is cancelled. So the above, this answer comes. Understand? So this one only, this one minus goes this side only, plus 3 by 2. This answer comes. This method comes. Same way, this also. You see, or x square minus 2x into 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square is equal to minus 1. You see here, minus 2 square plus 2 square cancel. So the above answer comes. This question, what question given, that answer comes. This minus only goes this side. Understand? What number comes this side? No, the same number you have to square it on both sides. You see this also, you see 3 by 2 comes, so square it on both sides. We'll see x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Again we'll see this one. X square is, we'll write x square minus 2x is common. We see no, into 2 equal to minus 1. So square on Square 2 on both sides. So x square minus 2x into 2 plus 2 square minus 1 plus 2 square. Here you see in this a plus a minus b the whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. You see in this. So a is equal to x, b is equal to 2. So a instead of a x minus 2 the whole square is equal to minus 1 plus 2 2s are 4. So minus plus 3 x minus 2 the whole square. So the square we need to remove square. So we have to root it on both sides. So this cancelled, x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus root 3. X is equal to 2 plus root 3. X is equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay, this one. Another example we'll see. In case 2x square minus 3x plus 5 something comes. If here is 2 is given. Here you see x only is there. Here is 2 is there. What is the formula? A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You see, before a, no number is there. Here, one number is there. So, we have to change into x square only. So, x square minus 3x by 2 plus 5 by 2. You have to divide this 2 on both sides equal to 0. Okay. After that, already I told in this sum 2x is common, correct? So here a square minus 2x is 2a is common. So here x square minus 2x is common. So 2x is common means what is remaining? 3 by 4. So you have to delete this one, cancel this 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. You see the above answer comes equal to minus 5 by 2. Okay, already we seen here 2 comes now. So we have to square both sides on 2. Here what comes? 3 by 4. So square 3 by 4 on both the sides. So this is 3 by 4. So square 3 by 4 on both sides. So x square minus 2x into 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 the whole square is equal to minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 4 the whole square. After that, you see this full is a square minus 2ab plus b square formula. You see here. So what is a is x, b is 3 by 4. So x minus 3 by 4 the whole square is equal to, why we put minus here? You see here is minus 2ab. 2a is x, b. So minus is there. So you have to take minus 3 by 4 square equal to 5 minus 5 by 2 plus 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. Here, minus 5, 16 is common. So you can take 16 common. 8 2s are 16, 8. So 5 8s are 40, minus 40 plus 9. So which one is greatest? Minus is the greatest symbol. So we have to put minus 31 by 16. X minus 3 by 4 the whole square. So you have to root it on both sides. So this is cancelled. X minus 3 by 4 equal to root 31 by 16 minus. So here how we will write? 64 4s are 16. So 64 4s are minus 31 by 64, sorry. 31 by 4 equal to x minus 3 by 4. So here we'll see x minus 3 by 4 is equal to my root of minus 31 by 4. So x is equal to 3 by 4 plus root minus 31 by 4. So x is equal to 3 by 4 minus root minus 31 by 4. This one, how we will write the final answer? X is equal to 3 plus I, instead of minus is I root 31 by 4. X is equal to 3 minus I root 31 by 4. Next sum. x square minus 5x minus 24 is equal to 0. Okay, here is also minus. So what you will do, a minus b the whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2a is common for all the problems. Here x square minus 2x is common. So we need x square minus 5x. So what you will do, you write 5 by 2. So 2 cancel. X square minus 5x comes. The above answer comes equal to plus 24. This minus comes this side means plus 24. Okay, so we seen last problems 5 by 2, no, what number comes, no, the same number you have to square it on both sides. So square 5 by 2 on both sides. So x square minus 2x into 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 the whole square equal to plus 24 plus 5 by 2 the whole square. Okay, you see this one and this one, what forms? A square minus 2ab plus b square format comes this one. So what is the formula? Instead of a is x minus this is minus, no, so minus 5 by 2 the whole square equal to 24 plus 25 is a 25, 2 2s are 4. So x minus 5 by 2 the whole square is equal to 24 into 4. You can write 24 into 4, 4s are 16, balance 1, 4 2s are 96 by plus 25 by 4. After that, x minus 5 by 2 the whole square equal to 96. 96 plus 25 is 5, 6 plus 5, 11, 110, 11, 12, 121. 121 by 4. After that, x minus 5 by 2 the whole square is equal to 121 by 4. So you have to square we need to remove. So what you will do, you have to root it on both sides. So this square and root is cancelled. X minus 5 by 2 is equal to root of 121 is 11 into 11, 121, 2 into 2. So you have to take 11 outside, 2 plus or minus 11 by 2. After that, x is equal to 5 by 2 plus 11 by 2, comma 5 by 2 minus 11 by 2. So 5 plus 11, 16 by 2. So our denominator is common, 2, 2. So you have to take it as 2 common, comma 5 minus 11, minus is the biggest number, minus 6 by 2. X is equal to. So x is equal to 8 comma minus 3. So this is the answer. 25x square minus 30x minus 10 is equal to 0. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2a is common. We already seen in the last question. So what you will do, before a no number is here. So you see here 25 is there before. So we have to divide it on 25 on both sides. 25 by 25 is equal to 0. So this is divisible by 5 table. So 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. So 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10. So x square minus 6 by 5x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 0. So this one x square minus 6 by 5x is equal to 2 by 5. This minus goes this side means plus. Okay, this one is finally we got this. Okay, so what you will do, we have to write in this method. Instead of a, we have to write x. So 2a is common, so minus 2x. So x square minus 2x is common. So we need this number. So what is remaining? 6 by, you have to multiply 5 into 2, 10. That's it. So you have to divide this 2 and 2, 2, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. You see the above answer comes. So 6 by 10. This one is, you have to 6 by 10, what comes? 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10 equal to 2 by 5. Now final is 2x square minus 2x into 3 by 5 equal to 2 by 5. After that, what number comes here? That same number should be square it on both sides. So square 3 by 5 on both sides. So x square minus 2x into 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5 the whole square equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 the whole square. Now you see here this and this. What comes? A minus b the whole square formula comes. So what is A is x, b is 3 by 5. So x minus 3 by 5 the whole square is equal to 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 the whole square. 2 by 5 plus 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. So x minus 3 by 5 the whole square. So this one, how we will write? 25 you can take it as common. So 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So 10 plus 9. So 19 by 25. So x minus 3 by 5 the whole square is equal to 19 by 25. So remove square. So you have to square it on both sides. So this and this cancelled. X minus 3 by 5 is equal to root of 19 by 25. This is x minus 3 by 5 equal to plus or minus root 19 by 5. So x is equal to 3 by 5 plus or minus root 19 by 5, comma x is equal to 3 by 5, not minus, plus. This is minus root 11 by 5. This one how we will write? X is equal to 3 plus root 19 by 5. This is x is equal to 3 minus root 19 by 5. This is the answer.